Welcome to Inventor's Workshop, where we craft the gadgets of tomorrow. I'm your host, and today, we're going to talk about how we make our gadgets. Our workshop is a place where creativity and innovation meet. We're a team of inventors, designers, and engineers who work together to bring your ideas to life. We start by brainstorming ideas, sketching out designs, and testing our prototypes until we find the perfect formula for our gadgets. Our process starts with research and development. We study the latest trends and technologies to create products that are ahead of their time. We then move on to designing and creating the prototypes, which we test and refine until they're perfect. Once we have our prototypes, it's time to manufacture them. We use the latest manufacturing techniques and equipment to ensure that our gadgets are of the highest quality. We also take care to ensure that our products are eco-friendly and sustainable. Finally, it's time to market and sell our gadgets. We use all of the tools and strategies at our disposal to promote our products and reach our target audience. We also provide excellent customer service and support to ensure that our customers are happy and satisfied. In conclusion, Inventor's Workshop is more than just a workshop. It's a place where we create the gadgets of tomorrow. We're a team of inventors who are always looking for new and innovative ways to craft products that people love. So, if you have an idea in mind, come and see us at Inventor's Workshop. We'd be happy to help you turn your idea into a reality.